Okay, children, we are going to continue active passive. Okay, page number 119 of your grammar. Huh? Today it's raining. See how climate is. Huh? So, page 119. Huh? Fill in the blanks with the passive form of verbs in the simple past tense. Here, I have filled for you. So you have to fill yourselves. ओके मैं भरी हूँ आई विल सेंड यू क्लियर ना देखाए तो जूम इट जूम करशो એટલે તમને વર્ડ્સ દેખાશે એન્ડ કોપી ડાઉન ઇન નીટ એન્ડ ક્લીન સ્મોલ હેન્ડ રાઇટિંગ ઓકે ઇન ગ્રામર બુક ઓનલી ઓકે otherwise you will not be able to complete your course we are having a test on Tuesday યાદ છે ને બધાને see now a classical song was presented by the singer The formula was taught by the teacher. The players were honored by the minister in a public function. Now here also change these sentences from the active to passive voice. I have written all the answers for you. Now today will be past continuous tense. How will we change past continuous? Okay. Yeah, see, he was driving the car very fast when it skidded off the road. The car was being driven very fast by him when it skidded off the road. Were you carrying all the required things? Were all the required things being carried by you? Now in active voice we have to use was or were. Singular was, plural were. Plus ing form of the verb, that means was driving, were carrying. In passive voice we will use was there plus being, being plus past participle form of the verb. Was being driven, were being carried. Now change these sentences from the active voice to the passive voice. See, number 1, exercise J. All of you keep your fingers there. And with me you read. The audience was laughing at the clown. Now, the clown was being, B-E-I-N-G, laughed by the audience. Next, she was supporting the villagers during the discussion. So what we write? The villagers were being supported during the discussion by her, or we can write by her during the discussion. Both will be correct. Was he writing the biography of Lata Mangeshkar? So was the biography of Lata Mangeshkar being written? B-E-I-N-G, being plus written, past participle, by her. Okay. Next, the teacher was demonstrating an experiment. An experiment was being demonstrated by the teacher. Were you painting the door? Was the door being painted by you? Okay, there is no proper space, so I have written like this, children. So you also can make space and write. You want to write in a separate paper, you can write. Okay. Now next, past perfect. Now past perfect. It is page number 119. Here. See now, past continuous completed. My past perfect one. My uncle had sold the house last year. Active. The house had been sold. With had, we have to add been plus past participle. Sell, sold, sold. By my uncle last year. Then had you boiled all the vegetables? Active. Had all the vegetables been boiled by you? Now active voice had plus past participle form of the verb in active. Okay, this is the passive. And in passive, you will use had been plus past participle form of the verb. Had been sold, had been boiled. Yeah. The woodcutter had felled many trees in the forest. Many trees had been felled in the forest by the woodcutter. See, I'll show you. 1 minute. See. The woodcutter had felled. Felled means कापी लिया था. Cut. Many trees in the forest. Many trees in the forest. Okay. This is active voice. Now we want to change it into passive. So how will we start from many? Passive, okay? Many trees. Now had. With had we have to add been plus felled. F-E-L-L-E-D by the woodcutter. Did you understand? The father had advised me to carry a torch as it was dark outside. So here of me we will change it into I. I had been advised, okay, with had we put been, to carry a torch as it was dark outside by father. Okay. So this I fill for you. Page 1120, now 120. Okay, 120. I'll do 120 only. 121 next period. Huh? It will become very long. See. So now simple future. Which tense will be there? Simple future. I shall make sandwiches in the evening. Sandwiches shall be made. With shall and will we have to add be. By me in the evening. When will they construct the bridge? When will the bridge be constructed by them? Okay. In active voice, shall or will plus root form of the verb. Shall make, will construct. Passive voice, shall be, will be plus past participle. Form of the verb, shall be made, will be constructed. Now rewrite the sentences in the passive voice. See. People will follow the leader in the years to come. Yeah. This is active. Now how will be changed? The leader will be followed people in the years to come, or in the years to come by people. What will be right? In the years to come by people. Alright, clear? This I will and send for you. Now future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. Now see, in future continuous tense we cannot change it to passive voice, so we have to leave it for future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. See, he will have consulted the doctor before 8 p.m. active. The doctor will have been consulted by him before 8 p.m. Will they have opened a new account before the end of the month? Will a new account have been opened by them before the end of the month? Passive. Okay. Now in active, will, shall plus have plus past participle form of the verb. Will have consulted, will have opened. Passive voice, will, shall plus have been plus past participle form of the verb. Will have been consulted, will have been opened. These answers I will write for you. Now verbs in the perfect continuous tenses can never be expressed in the passive voice. So this also will not do. Okay, one this, two are here. And now modal auxiliaries. Can, could, may, might, should, would, must, ought to. Then we have sentences with modal auxiliaries in the action. In the active voice, the sentences can be rewritten in the passive voice as follows. We ought to pay our taxes on time. Our taxes ought to be paid on time. Active, passive. Okay, page 121 and do in the next period. Bye children.